Hello, hello, hello. Good evening, my Live Good family. Welcome back to my channel once again. This is Coach Jericho Irinco, also known as Sidanito TV, ang daddy ng bayan. Yes, we are here again, and I want to share you something. This is actually a video from our coach Avel Masabulaw, and the message regarding with the rank up of one of our affiliate partner here in Live Good. So sabi niya, a heartiest congratulations to our newly promoted platinum engineer by profession. Yes, he is engineer Noel Caparoso all the way from Cebu. So God sees your heart and all your passion, hard work finally paid off. We are so proud of you. Next stop is Diamond. God bless you more and kudos to everyone. So you know what, guys? In a very short period of time, this engineer Noel Caparoso all the way from Cebu, he became platinum. So, konting kembot na lang. So, ano na siya? Diamond na siya. So, guys, let's hear the conversation of our platinum, of course, partner, Coach Avilma Sabulao, and the newly promoted platinum of Soaring Eagles International. No other than Coach Engineer Noel Caparoso. So, here you go.
Partner, on mo nga yung video mo.
Sure.
Grabe naman talaga. Hindi na talaga mabangbang. Grabe, congratulations. Mag-ready-ready ka. Aray ko. Mag-ready-ready ka mamaya. Ikaw muna yung spotlight. Ikaw muna yung bidat
Sige, sige.
mainit-init. Partner ha. Magsalita ka dyan, upline. At Diamond is just around the corner. Grabe, grabe, grabe.
Ah, ganda yung partner para at least marami tayong matulungan, partner.
Kaya nga, alam mo, God sees your heart. Nakikita ng Lord yung nasa puso mo at God is doing the rest. Imaginein mo, Live Good really is really an answer to us. Kumbaga, parang ito
Tama,
yung
tama.
totoong, kinikilabutan ako partner, ito yung totoong hulog ng langit. Isipin nyo naman, as in pumutok, almost 70% ng grupo ko inyo. 9 golds coming from your team.
Wow.
Nananganak ng nanganak. Out of 57, 41 coming from your group. Meron isa pang bago na si Sally Sally Katang ba? Oo, sa baba ni ano yon ni Dance. Hindi pa siya nag-change ng kulay pero chinek ko yung qualifications niya. Gold na yon like nang nangyari kay Jericho. So you already have 9
Okay.
golds. So kumbaga very very
Narinig nyo yung sinabi ni Coach V. Yung isa nating affiliate member, nag-rank up din pero hindi nag-change yung kulay nung status sa back office. The same thing with what happened to me. But because of the great leadership of this Coach Vilma Sabulao, hindi niya pinapalagpas yung mga ganun. Ina-actionan niya po yan. That's why in a very short period of time, nag-wait lang ako ng ilang araw. Na-correct ko yung tawag dito, yung pag-change ng kulay ng ating rank from silver to gold sa back office natin. Alright, so tuloy natin.
stable na yung leg na yan. Kaya magandang-maganda tong nangyayari, partner. Keep it up. So, mamaya, kwento ka naman. At ang sikreto dyan, partner, talagang dininig ng Diyos yung prayer kasi God sees your heart. Yung passion mo, yung gusto ng inner puso nyo kayo mag-asawa, kaya you deserve it. Congratulations talaga. So,
Thank you, partner.
handa-handa ka
Yun.
mamaya. Handa ka, partner, mamaya ng ng speech at ikaw ang opening.
Ano
Sandali.
oras?
Pag
Ano
diamond,
oras?
magpalit soon.
Partner,
Pag diamond.
pag nag-diamond nga ako dyan, lilipad ako eh. Di ba? Usapan natin. Pangako ko yan sa inyo.
Talaga, Cebu. Cebu ka mag-celebrate, ha?
Pag nag-diamond ako, lipad talaga ako dyan, partner. At hopefully, pagkalooban ng Diyos, ang target ko next month, May.
Coach V, sama ako dyan sa Cebu, ha?
Na hindi matapos ang
Tama,
May.
tama.
Hindi matapos ang May.
Kuha yan, partner.
Baka magsabay pa nga
Baka
tayo
okay.
eh. Baka maunahan mo pa ako. Okay lang sa akin yun. Woo! Grabe,
Maganda
grabe.
to, partner. At least maganda. Talaga pumutok ang Live Good.
Putok talaga, partner. Wala na, unstoppable na to. Ako, ngayon pa lang humahabol ang Butuan grip ko. Ngayon pa lang pumipick up ang Baguio. Ngayon pa lang pumipick up ang US. US, partner, mayroon akong papuntang gold na rin.
Wow.
Merong France, UAE, grabe talaga. As in, kumbaga parang
Marami.
papunta na doon. Kinikilabutan ako, fight.
Guys, naririnig nyo yung sinasabi nila. So many places, different countries, they are building their empire, they are building their network. Share and live good at sumabog na nga po talaga live good. Even myself, I couldn't believe I could become a gold in a very short period of time. That's why if you watch this video at dinidedma-dedma mo lang yung mga post namin, baka you never know na ito na po talaga yung magbabago ng buhay natin. Imagine yourself, how long have you been working in a multinational company? Or how long have you been working in an employment? There's nothing wrong with employment. But the question is, nakukuha ba natin yung mga pangarap natin na sa buhay natin, sa pagiging empleyado natin? So, again, nire-respeto ko po ang pagiging empleyado because once in my life, naging empleyado po ako. But because of the dream, because of my dream, because of pangarap ko sa pamilya ko, sa sarili ko, sa community ko, those people who surround me. So, hindi lang kasi sa sarili ko yung pangarap ko. It's for everybody. That's why I venture in the multi-level marketing. And true enough, talagang in this kind of industry, sobrang napakabilis po talaga. Bakit? May sistema. Alam mo, hindi masasayang dito yung ilang years na nag-aral ka ng elementary, high school, and college. And you will be compensated talaga with all the effort that you're going to exert in this kind of business. So, pag-aralan nyo, tingnan nyo din, kasi ano nga ba nangyayari sa'yo sa pagiging empleyado mo or sa pagiging, sa pagkakaroon mo ng negosyo. Ano yung mga nawawala sa'yo, ano yung mga lost mo. In here, wag ho kayong mahihiyang magtanong. As you can see in this video, nakikita nyo po dyan ang aking landing page. Yan. You can send message to me and I'm willing to assist and help you to become an official affiliate of Alive Good. So ituloy po natin ang sharing.
Partner. Woo!
Malapit na partner, malapit na.
Alam mo,
Dito rin yung mga leaders, nagsulputan na rin mga leaders partner eh.
Oo, totoo yun. Ang daming naglatago. Ang daming nagtatago. I won't mention names. Nakakausap ko sila. Talagang
Did you hear it? Sa lahat ng mga networker, yes, you heard it right. Sa lahat ng mga networker, matatagal na sa networking and then wala pa nakukuhang resulta. Or kung may resulta man po kayo, knowing po na ilang porsyento lang po kayo na kumikita sa company. Guys, this live good is 100%. Kikita po talaga lahat dito. So if I were you, narinig mo kanina, may mga tumatago. Kasi po, may mga leaders po talaga in different multi-level marketing dito sa Pilipinas at sa ibang bansa. They are all member pero they get into live good. Ang hindi alam ng kanilang mga downlines, na ang kanilang mga uplines ay nandito na, naka-hide lang po sila. Why? Because with live good, you can change your name. You can hide your identity. You can build your empire here and live good silently. Alam mo yon? So, and boom, paglabas mo, diamond ka na. When you become diamond, you will have, sobrang income na napakalaki. We are talking of millions of income. Ilang buwan mo tatrabahuhin. Guys, our diamonds here, they just work it in less than 2 months. Yes, maniwala kayo, yung mga naunang dalawang diamond, Philippine Live Good affiliate, less than 2 months nila trinabaho, diamond sila. And tama po yung narinig nyo, they are earning now a huge amount of money, millions of money. So, palaki na po ng palaki yan. So, alam mo yung nangyayari sa akin nga ngayon. Even in myself, talagang I'm wondering. That's why, guys, sige, tuloy natin. Ang point ko lang doon is kung ikaw ay member ng isang multi-level marketing ngayon, nag-i-exist, you can still join the Live Good and you can build your empire here silently. And labas ka na lang kapag sahog na ang grupo mo dahil marami ho talaga ditong leaders. Dami ditong leaders na naka-hide po sila pero nagra-rank up po sila tuloy-tuloy. Tuloy natin ang sharing.
Pinababago yung mga pangalan. So sabi ko, sige lang, tago lang kayo dyan in due time. Pre-prehas lang naman
Oo.
tayo. Ako din, isang buwan, hindi naman ako nag-post sa Facebook ng kahit ano eh. Eh ngayon nga, partner, gusto ko yung ginawa mo na ini-edit mo yung ano, yung mga videos natin. Tapos pinopost mo
Mm.
doon. Naka-join na ako doon sa ano mo, sa YouTube mo.
Facebook.
Sa YouTube mo, partner,
Sige, sige.
nag-subscribe na ako doon.
Sige, partner.
Oo, kasi
Para at least may ibang income yun, partner eh. Baka makakuha tayo ng
ay
konti.
ganun ba? Ako kasi
Oo.
partner, parang I'm planning na rin. Kasi hindi ako marunong talaga. Ang aking purpose
Mm.
naman doon is really to disseminate the positivity. Alam mo 'yon? Dami-daming nag-i-email partner ng mga ng mga nai-inspire kaya naiiyak ako. Promise.
Oo.
Taga ibang grupo pa.
Maganda yung partner. Ganyan eh. Regular yung partner na may mga sharing, ganun ba?
Yeah. So, ang Thursday natin, partner, every Thursday, 5 o'clock, regular na yon. So, mamaya sa training, lahat yun ipagtatakil natin. Basta prepare your platinum speech. Sandali lang. At gagawa ako ngayon ng magpapagawa ako ng
Sige.
banner mo. Okay? So, at kailangan humabol ang selebrasyon. Okay, bye-bye!
Sige,
Congratulations!
partner. Thank you, thank you.
I'm really
Okay,
so
okay,
proud
bye-bye.
of you. Ito lang yan, partner. Unang-una,
Sige, partner. Thank you, partner.
partner, unang-una nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon na
Mm.
na dinala tayo dito sa Live Good. Nagpapasalamat ako sa team ninyo, sa friendship, sa relationship na meron tayo na na-build sa dati nating company. All things happen for good, partner. Okay? Parang
Tama.
prepare lang yung pundasyon natin. Isipin mo yon. Wala man tayo nahita doon eh. Nung 1 year na punta-punta ko dyan, tulog-tulog ko sa bahay nyo eh.
Wow. Ito na, partner. Ito na siguro. Ito na talaga.
Ito na yun. Ha?
Yun ang dahilan.
Ito na.
Magpakita ka nga, lovely couple, nakakaarat naman, oh. Partner Charlene, dali. Pakita naman kayo. Umayos kayo dyan, ipopost ko talaga to sa Facebook ngayon. Kahit buringot ako, kahit madungis ako ngayon, ipopost ko to. You say something. Okay, you inspire the group. How did you do that? How did you do that you really come up with this kind of growth na very, very rapid? I want to hear from you because I'm really so proud of you. Live Good family, to all the people outside in this Facebook, I would like to really shout out to all of you that I'm so happy and I'm so blessed to have this couple in my team. Partner Charlene Caparoso, my personal enrollee, of course, and the husband, partner engineer Noel Caparoso from the Rainbow Club Philippines. Grabe, sila po talaga ang grupo ko na napakalakas. Almost 70% ng team ko ay galing sa kanila. Pumutok ang siyam na gold. 41 na silver coming from their team. So, grabe. So, this is mushrooming. So, and right now, I am very, very proud and I'm so happy that I have in my team 1 platinum. Woohoo! Ibig sabihin, diamond is just around the corner. And I claim it, Lord. Next month, it's gonna be May. It's gonna be May. Wala na tong tulugan. Wala nang humpay to. Tuloy-tuloy na to. So, partner Noel, Engineer Caparoso, take the floor. Take it away. Say something. God bless.
Good afternoon, good evening, at good morning sa lahat. Ang sa amin lang, ganito lang. Teamwork really works.
Yes.
Yun lang ang namin eh. We can do this. There's no doubt on it. Everybody can be a diamond, platinum, gold, and this is it. This is what we're waiting for. Ito na.
Yes.
Ito na ang sa iba diyan na nagda-doubt pa. This is it. Don't waste your time. You run for 90 days. Yun lang ang ginawa namin.
Yes.
Very simple way. Just run for 90 days. And after that, pwede na tayong magpahinga.
Yes.
Ito lang, sa amin lang talaga dito. Some of the teams, I'm not expecting that they will come. Ito lang talaga, just attract and it will come.
Yes.
God is with us.
Amen.
And see you at the top.
Oh my God. So my friends, my Live Good family, my FB friends, It's an honor to hear from our newly promoted platinum, my first ever platinum in my team. Oh my God. My heart is so overwhelmed with joy and happiness. Grabe, ito na to. Sobrang nabibless ako, sobrang tuwan-tuwa ako, sobrang proud talaga ako, partner. So, partner Cha, alam ko na hindi na magtatagal yan. Actually, grabe. So much. Magre-ready pa ako sa training natin mamaya. Liligo pa ako, kakain pa ako.
Yeah.
Mag-internalize pa ako.
Ito lang, just work as a family.
Yes.
Yun lang ang nakikita namin.
Actually,
Just work as a family.
yes, it's true. So by the way, just to let everybody know, this couple is like a family to me. Sobrang nagbunga po yung last year namin na relationship na naging mas intense. Although matagal na po kami magkakasama, but we build a deeper relationship since last year. Am I right, partner? Na talagang sinusundo nila ako sa airport kahit madaling araw na. Tutulog ako sa bahay nila para ako naka-check-in sa hotel. Grabe. So, we have that discussion, paumahagan with partner Charlene, discussion, walang pagod, walang humpay, na brainstorming, empowering with each other. Kung po pwede nga lang yung mga mukha namin magpalit-palit na eh, di ba? So, ngayon, medyo matagal-tagal lang hindi tayo nagkikita-kita, but I promise you, partner, once I got Diamond, I gonna fly in Cebu. Okay, so, I will see you there. My best wishes to everybody. Congratulations. God bless. Love you guys. Love you. Bye-bye. Congratulations.
Alright. So guys, as you can see, di ba, talagang here and love good. We're not just like, hindi lang po tayo dito nag-build ng ating empire, but we are building relationship at hindi lang ordinary relationship. It's a family. So we treat each other as kapamilya po talaga. Concern tayo sa isa't isa. So you can see naman the flow of the conversation of the Caparoso couple. Of course, Engineer Caparoso, which is very humble. And of course, ang kanyang asawa, napakaganda, si Madam. Good evening po. And of course, ang ating napaka-supportive na Live Good leader in the Philippines, Coach Abel Masabulaw, together with Coach Fernand Santiago and Coach Ferd Santiago and the rest of in the other leaders here. So guys, kung hindi pa member ng Live Good, wag na magpatumpik-tumpik pa because we're all part of pioneering. Join force with us, be one of us, be the channel of blessings to others, spread the love, the positivity, the light and hope na lagi kong sinasabi, not only here in the Philippines, but of course all over the world. So once again, this is Coach Jericho Irico, also known as si Daddy Jake TV, ang Daddy ng Bayan. Tutok lang ko kayo dito sa channel na marami ko kayong makukuha mga guidelines, informations about how are you gonna build your network with Live Good. So once again, congratulations to our newly ranked up Platinum Engineer Caparoso, and of course all of the coaches here. See you all at the top. Bye guys.